Snoring is often caused by the vibration of tissues in the back of the throat when airflow is partially blocked during sleep. It can be due to factors like obesity, nasal congestion, sleep position, or alcohol consumption. Treatment options include lifestyle changes, like weight loss and sleeping on your side, using nasal strips, addressing allergies, or using oral devices. In some cases, medical interventions or surgery might be recommended. Consulting a healthcare professional can help determine the best approach for your situation.